What if humans tried to dim the sun? Not block it, not turn it off, just reflect a tiny fraction of sunlight back into space. It sounds like science fiction, but the idea is real enough that scientists, governments, and climate researchers are studying it seriously. And that may be the most unsettling part. The basic problem is simple. Earth is getting warmer because more heat is being trapped in the atmosphere. So one controversial idea asks, what if we reduce the amount of sunlight reaching the planet? One proposed method is called stratospheric aerosol injection. The idea is to release tiny reflective particles high in the atmosphere, where they could scatter some sunlight before it reaches the surface. In simple terms, make the planet slightly more reflective. This is not a completely random idea. Large volcanic eruptions can send particles into the stratosphere, and after some eruptions, global temperatures have temporarily dropped. So the concept is not, can particles reflect sunlight? They can. The real question is much harder. Should humans try to do it on purpose? Because dimming the sun would not fix the real cause of climate change. It would not remove carbon dioxide from the air. It would not stop ocean acidification. It would not repair the systems already under pressure. It would only try to reduce one symptom, heat, and even that could come with risks. Changing sunlight could affect rainfall patterns. Some regions might cool more than others. Some places could get less rain. Others might experience changes no one predicted. And then there is the biggest problem. Who gets to decide? If one country believes dimming the sun could protect its crops, but another country fears it could change its monsoon, who has the final say? This is why solar geoengineering is so controversial. Supporters say we should at least study it, because climate risks are growing and future generations may want options. Critics say even researching it too aggressively could make deployment more likely before the world understands the consequences. So can we dim the sun? In theory, maybe. But doing it safely, fairly, and globally, that is a completely different question. Because once humans learn how to adjust the sky, even slightly, the real issue is no longer just science. It becomes power. It becomes risk. And it becomes one of the biggest questions of the century. Who should control the planet's thermostat?